right, greetings YouTube, beautiful mind here. We have this question that comes in from college algebra. This comes from our textbook from section 1.3. This comes from section 1.3, question 43. And they asked us to write this in standard form for a complex number, okay? So let's take a look at it. I like to start by getting a copy of the original. We have 10 plus the square root of negative 200 over 5. So in class, let's see, I'm going to do a cursor like this. So in class, we made a statement that whenever we have a negative inside the radical, we address the negative first, right? So I would approach the following, I would approach this in the following manner. The 10 is just going to carry over. The square root of negative 1, so this is the same as square root of negative 1. 200 is what? 2 times 100? So I'm going to say the square root of 100 times the square root of 2. So I have a perfect square divided by 5. Okay, if we keep going, this will give us 10 plus the square root of negative 1 is I. So right here, the square root of negative 1 is I. The square root of 100 is 10. So together those are going to become 10I. 10I, and then the square root of 2 persists, and then the 5 comes down, okay? So then this, because we're dividing by a monomial means one term, right? We're dividing by one term here. We can actually write it in the following way. It's kind of like we're distributing a 1/5, so we can rewrite this as 10 divided by 5 plus 10I times the square root of 2 divided by 5, all right? So then in that form, that means 10 divided by 5 is 2, plus 10 divided by 5 is 2I square root of 2. So in standard form, I got this result, okay? If you're my students and you are watching this video, if again, with examples, when I present examples and solutions, if I walk away from an example and it's incorrect, if you catch my mistake and you're the first one to bring it to my attention, I usually offer extra credit for that, okay? So on that note, we will end the session here, and from one beautiful mind to another, enjoy the rest of your day.